Welcome to Patent Shop YouTube channel. In this video, Patent Shop will share the information about how to convert a patent into a project proposal. If you would like to have more information related to IPR, please visit patentshop.in and our LinkedIn page. Patent Shop is a non-commercial platform to offer a bridging services between inventors and patent buyers. Steps to be followed to convert your patent application into funded project proposal are mapping of components found in a patent application and funded project proposal. The other components left are in the funded project proposal are budget and activity plan. We shall include this when we write a project proposal. Please compare yourself the components of two documents. Patent Shop considers to launch a special video series on both patent drafting and writing of funded project proposal in the days to come. At present, Patent Shop presumes that you have a fully published patent document satisfied as per the sections and rules of Indian Patent Act 1970. The field of invention in patent application is modified as problem statement for the funded project proposal. The background section is grouped into national and international status. The objects, few of them will be considered as primary objectives in project proposal. Summary of invention is refined as deliverables. The detailed description is considered to write the methodology section for the funded project proposal. Illustration in both documents may be cross-referenced in each other. Claims are the original contribution of the inventor and may be considered to mention as original contribution in funded project proposal. Abstract in patent considered as summary of funded project proposal. While filling up your budget, please consider to have respective clarification for these basic queries. Can unspent funds in 1 year be carried forward to the next year? If so, what are the requirements to gain approval to carry funds over, and is there a limit as to what can be carried forward? Is level funding required, or can the cost of the project vary from year to year? Are no cost extension allowed at the end of the funding to carry out any uncompleted grant activities, or must all funds be spent within a designated time frame? Can changes be made to the budget, for instances increasing, decreasing percentage efforts of staff, or modifying budget category amounts? Or is agency permission required, and if so, for what types of modifications? When an external collaborator involved, how budget should be claimed? Can one head will be used for other heads? The budget is grouped into two categories, recurring and non-recurring expenditures. The recurring expenditure involves manpower, consumables, contingencies, travel, training, and overhead. Equipment and infrastructure costs would be referred as non-recurring expenditure. The activity plan is the one through which the investigators are evaluating their own progress. It is in the form of activities and sub-activity chart, or flow graph, or bar chart, or Gantt chart as prescribed here, along with writing narrative wherever it is required. For more details pertinent to IPR, please visit patentshop.in and our LinkedIn page. You may contact Patent Shop with this mail ID. Thank you for watching this video, and we Patent Shop would extend in all possible ways to help to convert your patent application into a project proposal. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe Patent Shop YouTube channel. Thank you.